Soil. Hi there. Have you ever looked down at the ground and wondered what you're standing on? It's not just dirt, it's soil. And it's actually a tiny, busy world of its own. Soil is like a secret recipe. It's made of tiny broken rocks, bits of old leaves, water, and even air. Mix them all together, and you get the perfect home for plants to grow. Meet the soil superheroes, earthworms. They tunnel through the ground, making little tunnels that let air and water reach the roots of plants. Thanks, Mr. Worm. Soil gives us our favorite foods. It holds onto the plant's roots and gives them water. Without soil, we wouldn't have crunchy carrots, sweet apples, or beautiful flowers. We can help by being kind to the ground. Planting trees and flowers keeps the soil happy and healthy. The ground under your feet is a busy, living place. So next time you go outside, say, thank you to the soil. Hope you have a joy in exploring the wonders of the soil together. Thank you for watching Kidz Tiny World. Subscribe for more. Bye.